Welcome everyone back to another video, another tutorial on this channel. This time we talk about how to change miles to kilometers on Google Maps on iPhone, or even the other way around. Let's get into it. Before we do, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So you need to locate the Google Maps application, get inside of course, and make sure you are in the main page right here, and this is what it looks like. So what you get to do is to locate the search bar and tap on your profile picture right there at the end. So just tap on your picture and click on the settings right here. And you have a bunch of different stuff which you can just change in here. But when you scroll down just a little bit towards the bottom, you have the distance units, which you can now switch from miles to kilometers, right? So you can choose whichever one you prefer. Of course, the same goes for the temperature units, because you can of course see a little preview of the weather and when you're browsing the map. So this is another possibility. I mean, yeah, the units go hand in hand, so you're likely going to switch both. But as you can see, I keep it at automatic. And what this means is that it is generally using the settings of my iPhone. And it is a good option, but this is how it's managed. So when you open up the settings on your device, in here you go to the general, then in the language and region, you have the measurement system. So I have the metric. That means that I'm using kilometers, and therefore the Google Maps is also adopting the same metric units, right? So that's how it works, but obviously you can switch it, as you can see, to anything that you wanted really. So that's how it works. Hope you found this video helpful. Hit a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below. I will see you later on in the future video.